Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 1 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. I am so happy you are here today because today is the first step of your journey. Now, I want you to imagine something. Imagine you are sitting in a big classroom with 30 students from all over the world. Everyone is here with one goal: to speak English with confidence. Look around in your mind. Every student is nervous but excited. Every student wants to speak better. And you, yes, you are one of them. Give yourself a big round of applause right now because you showed up, and showing up is the first victory. Why shadowing? Students, today we are doing shadowing practice. Do you know what shadowing means? It means listen carefully and repeat immediately. Like a shadow follows your body, your words follow my words. When I speak, you speak. When I say it, you copy me. And here's the magic. Shadowing helps you train your tongue, your mouth, your ears, and your brain together. It makes you sound more natural and fluent. It removes fear because you are speaking again and again without stopping. That's why this challenge works. But listen carefully. Shadowing is not only about English. It's about confidence. It's about believing in yourself. It's about saying, I can do this. I am not afraid. I will speak. Students, mistakes are not a problem. Say it with me. Mistakes are my teachers. Again, mistakes are my teachers. Yes, every time you make a mistake, you are learning. Every time you try again, you are growing. So don't be shy. Don't be quiet. Open your mouth and speak. Here's what will happen today. We will practice 30 simple sentences. Each sentence will be repeated 2 times. By the end of this class, you will have spoken more than 60 times. That's powerful. Imagine doing this every day for 15 days. How confident will you be? How fluent will you sound? Yes, students, that's the magic of this challenge. Now, before we begin, I want you to do something with me. Wherever you are, stand up tall or sit straight. Take a deep breath in and out. Smile. Yes, smile, because you are about to do something amazing. Now repeat with me.
Sentence 1.
I wake up early. Again, I wake up early. Good, well done, students. Sentence 2. I brush my teeth. Again, I brush my teeth. Excellent, keep going. Sentence 3. I wash my face. I wash my face. Nice. That's shadowing. Sentence 4. I take a shower. I take a shower. Good job, don't stop. Sentence 5. I get dressed. Again, I get dressed. Perfect. Keep your energy high. You are speaking English. You are improving already. Sentence 6. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Nice pronunciation. Sentence 7. I drink water. Again, I drink water. Sentence 8. I go to school. I go to school. Excellent. Keep repeating. Sentence 9. I say hello to my friends. I say hello to my friends. Sentence 10. I listen to my teacher. Again, I listen to my teacher. Wonderful. You are doing it. This is called shadowing. Repeat with me. Match my voice and build confidence. You can do this. Sentence 11. I believe in myself. Again, I believe in myself. Sentence 12. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Yes, that was clear. Sentence 13. I am learning step by step. Again, I am learning step by step. Well done. Keep repeating. Sentence 14. I can speak English better day by day. Again, I can speak English better day by day. Sentence 15. I am proud of myself for practicing today. Again, I am proud of myself for practicing today. Wonderful. Keep going. Now let's make sentences even longer. Sentence 16. I can speak English with my friends and family. Again, I can speak English with my friends and family. Nice work. Sentence 17. I am becoming more confident. Again, I am becoming more confident. Excellent pronunciation. Sentence 18. I know that practice makes me stronger. I know that practice makes me stronger. Good job, don't stop. Sentence 19. I am not shy to speak English. I am not shy to speak English. Sentence 20. I enjoy learning. I enjoy learning. Great energies. Well done, everyone! You have already spoken 20 sentences. That means you have repeated them 40 times. Can you see what's happening here? This is not just about saying words. This is about building a habit. When you shadow me, you are training your mouth, your ears, and your brain together. Slowly, your English becomes more natural. Mistakes don't matter. What matters is that you are speaking again and again. So don't stop now. You are doing something powerful for yourself. Every sentence you speak makes you a little stronger, a little more confident. Remember, this challenge is not about being perfect. It's about practice. So keep your energy up, smile, and repeat with me. Let's continue with the next sentences and finish strong. Let's build more power in our sentences. Sentence 21. I can do difficult things. Again, I can do difficult things. Good job. Sentence 22. I am ready to work hard. I am ready to work hard. Excellent. Keep your voice strong. Sentence 23. I am learning English to open new opportunities. Again, I am learning English to open new opportunities. Sentence 24. One day I will speak fluently. One day I will speak fluently. Sentence 25. I can understand English. Again, I can understand English. Now the last 5 sentences. These are full of motivation. Sentence 26. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. Sentence 27. I am proud of every small step. Again, I am proud of every small step. Sentence 28. I will not give up. Again, I will not give up. Very strong. Sentence 29. I am improving my life. Again, I am improving my life. Sentence 30. I can do it. I will do it. And I am doing it now. Again, I can do it. I will do it. And I am doing it now. Amazing! Congratulations, students! You have just completed day 1 of our 15-day speaking challenge. I am so proud of you. You spoke 30 sentences, and because we repeated each one twice, you actually practiced 60 times today. That is a huge achievement. Now, take a moment and think about it. You didn't just listen. You spoke out loud. You didn't stay silent. You practiced with energy. And that is exactly how shadowing works. Every time you repeat, your tongue becomes faster, your ears become sharper, and your confidence grows stronger. This is how fluency is built, step by step, sentence by sentence, day by day. But students, this is only the beginning. Imagine what will happen if you keep going for all 15 days. Imagine how much better your English will sound. Imagine the confidence you will feel when you can speak without fear. Yes, that future is waiting for you, and it starts right here with this small daily practice. Now, I want you to do something important. Go to the comments and write today's last sentence. Write, I can do it, I will do it, and I am doing it now. When you write it, you are not just typing. You are making a promise to yourself. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video. That way, you won't miss day 2 tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will learn 30 new sentences together. Each day will take you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Say it with me one last time. I can do it. I will do it. And I am doing it now. Excellent, students! I'll see you tomorrow in day 2 of our speaking challenge. Until then, practice hard, stay positive, and remember, your voice matters, your English matters, and your future is bright. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next class.